The main thing we do is use it to schedule our associates. We take advantage of the bid auctions for three of our different job roles. So we forecast our incoming volume using the historical data, which I love in Verint. And then we make shift bids for our associates so they can select and rank their shifts. We do that monthly, which gives them by seniority to make it fair for our associates. And then we set up some intraday notifications to alert our supervisors and to help kind of manage that piece as well. So I think those are the three biggest kind of use cases we solve the product for. I was coming from Aspect. I think the forecasting piece is the biggest win for us. Just bringing in the historical data with the click of a button, bringing in past weeks, and then you can omit days and scale days that you want to based on busyness without having to do more tedious manual work and transcribing data from one screen to another. It just kind of brings it all in and makes it a lot easier for the user. Within the bid auctions, I think it's a learning curve, so we'll get there. But it's difficult from a time capacity for monthly bids because of the staffing profiles, the work patterns, the assignment rules, and how they all intermingle. It's for our business case, it makes it kind of difficult. I also think that the shrinkage piece is not granular enough. It's just one holistic piece. So, for example, we don't know what our shrinkage is for training or absenteeism. It's just all lumped together. So I'd like to see a more granular breakdown of the shrinkage and then some more best practice. Best practices probably with the bid auctions. I know the time flex bot I'm very interested in learning more about. So, but I think the auctions. I would say a 9. Well, we were actually suggested to use Verint from another vendor because of the what we needed for the workforce management for our business instead of using their native workforce management. So I would say that's a great use case to use it. So based on our size of about 500 agents and viewing their schedules, requesting trades within the system, the overtime flexibility and things like that. I think if that's what your business needs, then Variant can fit those. We went through some vending consultants back in April. Along with others, was kind of selected, but we came from Aspect. It was more of an on-prem solution, so we were looking to update to the cloud to get more. Just to work well with others and other vendors that we can use to get our data. We just need an upgrade. We were kind of at end of life, I believe, with our previous vendor, so we were looking to what's the new thing in our CCAS solution. I think it's equal right now. We haven't fully leveraged the product the way we needed to yet, so I would say it's equal. Yeah, we use the request management for requesting time off. We do it. They can input shifts for like computer issues and technical problems. So that's been a big win for us. We haven't leveraged the planner as well as we should have. Right now, if I want to do an FTE forecast, I kind of do a phantom schedules and do a shift bid. So a kind of a workaround because we just haven't done it yet. I would say the forecasting. It's just super easy. Not sure. You'd have to ask someone else. I am. I am. Yes, I believe so. I think we did it too early. We did the training too early before we implemented, so I think it's kind of unfair to judge it on that, to be honest. I think so. Yes. Well, we use 5.9 as our general GCAS or CCAS. Um, we use other data storing um, vendors. We also have a number of different systems that our contact center agents use, but not so much as the CCAS, just the specificality of our business being a financial institution. So debit card systems and things like that.